Hey guys, SBC Louisville 6724 here, and we are waiting for the weekly tests. Yes, you heard me right. Weekly test. Why is my jacket in the garbage? Whoa! Scared me. Jesus. Too loud. Sorry, but it's too loud.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert
It's too loud,
system.
it hurts my ears.
During potentially dangerous weather situations,
It actually does.
specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south central Indiana and north central Kentucky.
My thumb is still bleeding.
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday
Between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time. Now shut up before I throw this creeper at you.
11. When there is a
Holy
threat of
crap, I
unexpected
wasn't expecting
severe weather
that. I
in the
shouldn't do
area,
that.
The test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day.
Remind me to never do that again.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning
If I just
alarm will
play
be
the
activated
EOM
for
tones
watches
as loud
and
as I
warnings
can.
affecting the
You
following
know what, that's what I'm
counties.
gonna do.
In south central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and
We gotta
Washington.
wait a little bit.
In north central Kentucky,
Bullitt,
Henry,
Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, Trimble. I know it's exactly
This
what you're gonna
concludes
read
the
off.
test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system.
They don't test that.
We now return you to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
I told you I'd do it. But once again, remind me to never throw this creeper at this radio again. Because I'm not paying another $40. Okay, that's it. Bye.